Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Google Docs with your document open, so select the text you want changed or place the cursor where it belongs. Once done, look at the toolbar. The font size box shows a number like 11 or 12. Click that drop-down to pick a preset, or type a precise value such as 14 or 10. 5, then press Enter. This directly sets the text size. Make sure the correct font is chosen because different fonts render sizes slightly differently. Next, you'll adjust styles so changes are consistent across sections. If you need headings or body text changed, select a sample, pick the size you want, then open Format, Paragraph Styles and choose the matching style, Heading 1, Heading 2, or Normal Text. Click Update Normal Text to match selection. That applies the size document-wide for that style. This ensures uniform formatting, so instead of changing every paragraph, you change one style and propagate the size automatically. To finish, confirm changes by scanning the document or pressing Ctrl or Command plus it to select everything and set a final size. Make sure page setup doesn't force different margins or a print scale that will alter appearance. If text unexpectedly reverts, try clearing formatting from Format Clear Formatting, then reapply the style. Otherwise, refresh the page or reopen the doc. If you still see issues, check browser extensions or sign out and back in because sync problems can block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.